What's good, YouTube? I'm Travius Best, and this is my first YouTube video. And today I'm just gonna start with a unboxing video. We got our this is gonna be more of like a custom page type thing, showing off how to do certain customs, I guess, my process on them, things like that. But we're gonna start off unboxing our paints that we're gonna use in our first actual video for the channel. So I'm trying to get this box open. So very well packaged box. No thieves for getting into this one. I own this box, so I'm barely getting into this one. My X-Acto knife might not be enough. I don't have one of those big knives though that I've seen other people use. And those knives look dangerous. Very clumsy. I'd rather not cut my finger off. Almost experienced that once. Wasn't fun. Oh, there we go. Finally made some leeway in this. Yeah, this is terrible. I'm just gonna ignore that. Alright. So let's see what we got in here today. Put this bubble wrap. Trying really hard not to get distracted, like, come on, man. You can't tell me that's not fun. And if it's not fun to you, you didn't enjoy your childhood. There's no other explanation for that. Anyway, let's get all this out of here. Got a couple colors. Nice little sticker. That's pretty. Come back to you later. Alright, well, in this video, let's see. We got some flat black. This is one of the, I'm going to say this is pretty essential. Flat black, flat white. For beginners, intermediate, I don't care what level you believe you're on or are on, you're going to need some flat white, flat black. Some regular white, probably some regular black. You'll probably use these in almost every custom you do, mixing paints. You can't go wrong with getting these 3 colors, or just regular black too, these 4 colors. I went and got some mixing jars, been mixing a lot of paints. I'm gonna have to mix some paints on this next custom. And like, what are they, 50 cents I think, if that. Very cheap, got 4 of those, didn't need too many, but they come in handy. Got me some disposable tips for my paint marker. Plan on actually using this for the first time for this custom, because I'm going for something kind of like that. I'm going to use this marker to get those cartoon lines in there. It's a real cool product. You know, you just load your paint in, let it drip down to the tip kind of thing. Test it a few times, you know. We got ourselves some pearlescent blue. I think this is the one that kind of like changes in the light. I don't know for sure. Don't quote me on that. And then we got ourselves here pale blue. We're going to be using these colors for our like Super Saiyan God kind of look that we're going for in our next video. Then I got me some airbrush cleaner because pretty sure I shouldn't clean my airbrush with just water for too long. I don't think that's... I don't know if that's gonna cause a problem later, but I didn't want to take no chances, so I went and got that. Let's see. They send you a nice little instruction kit on how to clean your shoes, letting you know the information on the bag. Oh, by the way, all this is from Angelus, Angelus.com. I'll probably link it in the video. But this is where you need to get all your sneaker needs, cleaners, laces, paints, additives, and knives, paint markers, paint brushes. You can get everything from them. They do it all. And then, you know, they send you a little receipt telling you everything that you got. I got my free gift for spending, I don't know the amount, but you spend a certain amount of money and they give you a free gift, whether that be a neat little sticker like this. They got plenty of different varieties of stickers. I got plenty around the room somewhere. I never really put them on anything. Kind of just collect them. They look really nice. I like the way that like shines in the light. But They give you bags from time to time, little black drawstring Angelus bag, things of that nature. But they're the best when it comes to these products. Like, I've used their products for this shoe. We got this bleach shoe that we did not too long ago. Here's the back. Got a quote on the side. Even like these Akatsuki shoes that we did, these kind of dirty actually. Probably should go ahead and clean these up. But we got the Akatsuki, got their everybody's ring on the front, Akatsuki on the inside. But yeah, Angelus will get it done for you. And let me see. One thing I did not order that you probably need, especially if you're a beginner, you're gonna want something like the deglazer, because you want to put that on anything before you just paint it, especially on the leather, because your paint will crack, break, not stick, all those kinds of problems. But I personally just use acetone. I mean, it's not the best, but it gets the job done. If you use acetone, I'd recommend that you don't press too hard. Invest in some gloves. Stuff I don't believe it's supposed to sit on your skin at all or ever. And don't use it in a closed room. That's another thing. The smell for it is not the best for you. Let's see. Also, maybe you want to invest in a heat gun. Heat guns come in handy between coats, drying paints. Helps it adhere better, especially when using like fabric mediums or like too soft, things like that. And you can get this on there too, like how I made these laces. Got some paint from Angelus. Like if I wanted to use this orange paint, mixed it with some, actually I gotta use too soft for these, but you can use this or too soft. Don't know where I put my too soft, but you mix them together. I put them in a plastic bag, mixed it up, kind of thing. Let it sit. Had to dry in between. Use the heat gun to activate the little bonding in here. You know, I don't know all the exact terms, but got the job done. Got me some nice laces. They're not hard, they're not stiff, they bend. You almost can never tell that I did it myself. The only thing you can see, like, I went back and added like the Sharpie on it, because added the Sharpie on here because I wanted that like little cartoon effect on it. But yeah, I mean, these ones go kind of crazy, you know. Little got Majin Buu on the Kid Buu on the back, a little energy blast on the side, and the M. Even got the Majin M. But yeah, the Dragon Ball in this one. But enough about those. This is an unboxing video, so. But honestly, I think that's it. That's all I have for y'all in this video. Oh yeah, peace out YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Got a lot more coming for you soon as I get better with this, because you can tell this is very new to me. Don't know if I was in the frame for that, so we're gonna do it again. But goodbye YouTube. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hope to see you in the next videos. Like, subscribe if you like what you see. Got a lot more coming for y'all. Thank you.